Have you ever come across an error message while adding members to GroupMe? So if you are facing the same error, here is the video where I will show you how to fix GroupMe failed to add member to group. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Restart your smartphone. Restarting is the best way suggested by experts to fix GroupMe failed to add member in group. Follow the steps. Long press the power key of your smartphone. Next, tap on the restart option on your screen. Method 2. Refresh your GroupMe app. Follow the steps to refresh GroupMe app. Simply, reach the bottommost of the app page to see the page reload option. This will help you to refresh the page and you can add member to the group again. Method 3. Check your network connection. Here are the steps. First, go to Settings on your device and click on Connections and Sharing option. Next, choose Airplane Mode and enable it by pressing the button next to it. Method 4. Share your group link with contacts. Here are the steps. First, open GroupMe app, go to group you want to add member. Next, click on 3 dots menu to access many options. After that, choose Share Group option. From here, share your group link. Method 5. Clear GroupMe app cache. Here's what to do. First, open Settings, choose Apps option. Next, choose GroupMe app. Then, go to App Info, then click on Storage. Now, click on Clear Cache. After that, click on Clear Data of your GroupMe app. Method 6. Use GroupMe website to add your member. Follow the steps. First, open web browser, open GroupMe web address. Next, log into your account, go to Chats option. Then, go to Group tab to add your member, find and tap on the Add Members option. Method 7. Verify whether the person is in the group or not. Follow the steps to verify. First, move to Archive and find the groups that you left. Now, click on the group and choose Rejoin option. Method 8. Update GroupMe app. Update through the following way. First, open Google Play Store, tap on Profile tab. Next, click My Apps and Games, then click Updates Available option. Here, find Group Map and finally click on Update option. Method 9. Reinstall GroupMe app. Here are the steps. First, launch Apps icon tray, choose GroupMe app. Then, press and hold the app icon, click on Uninstall. Now, open Google Play Store, search for GroupMe app. Finally, tap on Install option. Method 10. Factory reset your smartphone. Follow the steps. First, open Settings on your smartphone, select General Management option. After that, tap on Reset button. Lastly, click on Factory Data Reset option.